Hey, have you felt stuck in traffic, wasting valuable time? Or felt like city congestion is slowing you down in daily business? Maybe Mubea has a good offer for you. Welcome to the Mubea Cargobike tutorials. Let me introduce myself briefly. I'm David. I'm part of the Mubea micromobility team. We're going to be talking about electric heavy-duty cargo bikes. Today I have with me the work, the pack and the pickup. The electric cargo bikes are classed as electric bikes, but of course with additional cargo carrying capacity. They can go anywhere the e-bikes can go, including many places the vans cannot, so that means making use of the cycle infrastructure. The rolling chassis is equipped with a powerful serial powertrain featuring a high-performance motor and a boost gear. You can take on inclines of up to 18% fully loaded. Braking? No problem. Hydraulic disc brakes on all four wheels ensure top braking performance. The vehicle is equipped with an electric parking brake and RFID-based quick lock system, perfect for fast-paced delivery stops. In the back, you can load up to 200 kilograms of items or whatever you might used to have in there. Mubea offers different options to carry your load. Check out our website or get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.